Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to solve a common and frustrating problem. You've just hooked up your subwoofer to your Onkyo HT-R558 receiver, but you're getting no sound, no boom, and no bass. Don't worry, it's usually just a simple settings issue. We'll walk through the exact steps to get it activated easily. First, let's make sure the physical connection is right. You should have a single RCA cable running from the Subwoofer Pre Out jack on the back of your Onkyo receiver to the LFE or line-in jack on your subwoofer. Now, grab your Onkyo remote control, because the rest happens in the on-screen menu. Press the receiver button on your remote, and then press the setup button. This will bring up the main setup menu on your TV screen. From here, you'll need to navigate to the speaker settings. Use the arrow keys on your remote to go to the speaker setup menu and press enter. Inside this menu, look for an option called Speaker Config or Speaker Configuration. This is where the magic happens. The first and most important setting you need to find is for the subwoofer itself. You will see an option that says subwoofer and it will likely be set to no by default. You must change this setting to yes. This tells the receiver that a subwoofer is physically connected and that it should send a signal to it. The next step is to set the crossover frequency. Look for an option called crossover. This tells the receiver which low-frequency sounds should go to the subwoofer. A great starting point is 80 Hz. This is a common standard and works well for most setups. Now for the most commonly missed step. You need to tell the receiver that your main speakers are not designed to handle deep bass. In the same Speaker Config menu, find your front speakers. Change their setting from large to small. When speakers are set to large, the receiver thinks they are full range and sends all the bass to them. By setting them to small, you are telling the receiver to reroute all the low-frequency information below the crossover point to the subwoofer. You should do this for your center and surround speakers as well. Once you have set the subwoofer to yes, the crossover to 80 Hz, and your main speakers to small, you can exit the setup menu. Now play a movie or some music, and you should hear your subwoofer working perfectly. You can fine-tune the bass volume by adjusting the level in the receiver's level cal menu or by using the volume knob on the back of the subwoofer itself. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide helped you get that deep bass you were looking for. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tips and how-to guides. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Your support means everything and helps us create more content just like this.